Hello all, welcome back to our channel Swati@Maths. So today we are going to discuss about integrals of the form integration of sin power mx into cos power nx into dx. In previous class we have discussed already about where m is odd and n is even, and also we have discussed about m is even and n is odd. Today we are going to discuss about where both m and n are odd numbers, in which m is greater than n and m is less than n. First of all, we will discuss about one problem in which m is greater than n. So our first problem is integration of sin power 9x into cos power 3x dx. So here, if we compare with integration of sin power mx into cos power nx, then you will get m equal to 9, whereas n equal to 3. So here m equal to 9 and n equal to 3. Here 9 is greater than 3. So we can write m is greater than n, because 9 is greater than 3. So here m is the power of sin x. So we should take sin x as t. If m is greater than n, then we should consider the greatest value is for sin x. So we should take sin x as t. So put sin x is equal to t. Then differentiate both sides. Differentiation of sin x is cos x dx is equal to dt. Now substitute in our question integration of sin power 9x into cos cube x can also be written as cos square x into cos x. So cos square x into cos x dx. But we can write cos square x as 1 minus sin square x. So question మొత్తం sin లోకి convert చేయాలి, because sin is taken as t. So integration of sin power 9x cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x. Using trigonometric identity, sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. And also cos x dx can be written as dt. Now substitute sin x is equal to t now. So t power 9 into 1 minus t square dt. So t power 9 into 1 is t power 9 minus t power 9 into t square is t power 11. Bases are equal, power should be added. So 9 plus 2 will become 11 into dt. Now we have to integrate. T power 9 integration is t power 10 by 10. T power 11 integration is t power 12 by 12 by using the formula integration of x power n plus c. After getting the answer, you have to put the integration constant c. So at last we have to replace t with sin x. So sin power 10x by 10 minus sin power 12x by 12 plus c. So it is our final answer. So here in our first question we have discussed about m is greater than n. Now I have taken one question which is m is less than n. So here if you compare the question with integration of sin power mx into cos power nx, then you will get in place of m we are having 3. In place of n you are having 5. Since 3 is less than 5, so we should write m is less than n. Since m is less than n, here n is the power of cos x. So we should consider cos x as t. ఏ పవర్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటే దాన్ని t తీసుకోండి. సో cos xకి 5 ఉంది. సో 5 ఎక్కువ ఉంది కాబట్టి we should consider cos x as t. So put cos x is equal to t. Now differentiate both sides. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. dx is equal to dt. Therefore, sin x dx can be written as sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Now substitute in our question sin power 3x into cos power 5x dx. Therefore, integration of sin power 3x can also be written as sin square x into sin x cos power 5x dx. So here sin square x can also be written as 1 minus cos square x. So 1 minus cos square x into cos power 5x into sin x dx. Sin x dx. Now we have to substitute here 1 minus cos is assumed as t. So t square into t power 5 sin x dx is minus dt. Therefore, 1 into t power 5 t power 5, t square into t power 5 is t power 7 into minus dt. Therefore, minus to multiply just it will become t power 7 minus t power 5 dt. Now we have to integrate. T power 7 integration is t power 8 by 8. T power 5 integration is t power 6 by 6 plus c. Now we have to replace t with cos. So cos power 8x by 8 minus cos power 6x by 6 plus c. So this is our final answer. So here we have discussed about m is less than n and m is greater than n, two cases. Yesterday's class we have discussed where m is odd, n is even, and another case is where m is even and n is odd. So totally we have discussed about 4 cases. Now we will discuss if both the numbers are same and odd. Now another question is integration of sin power 5x into cos power 5x dx. Here if you compare with sin power mx into cos power nx, you will get m equal to 5 and also n equal to 5. So here m is equal to n is equal to 5. So m equal to 5, n equal to 5. Therefore m equal to n equal to 5. So in this case we can take either sin x equal to t or cos x is equal to t. We can take any one as t. Let us consider sin x is equal to t. Sin x is equal to t. Then differentiate both sides, you will get cos x dx is equal to dt. Now substitute in our equation integration of sin power 5x into cos power 5 can also be written as cos power 4x into cos x dx. So sin x t ante question మొత్తం sin లోకి కన్వర్ట్ అవ్వాలి. cos x t ante question మొత్తం cos లోకి కన్వర్ట్ అవ్వాలి. సో cos power 4ని sin కి కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. దెన్ sin power 5x into cos power 4 can also be written as cos square x whole square into cos x dx. Therefore integration of sin power 5x cos square x can also be written as 1 minus sin square x whole square. Cos x dx can be written as dt. So it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So sin power 5x into a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square is 1 square minus 2 into a into b plus b square is sin square x whole square into dt. Now in place of sin replace with t. T power 5 1 minus 2t square plus t power 4 into dt. Sine square whole square will become sine power 4. Since sine is equal to t, we should write t power 4. Therefore, t power 5 into 1 t power 5. 2t square into t power 5 is 2t power 7 plus t power 5 plus 4 is 9 dt. So here now we have to integrate. T power 5 integration is t power 6 by 6 minus 2 into t power 8 by 8 plus t power 10 by 10 plus c. So after getting the answer, you have to replace t with sin x. So sin power 6x by 6 minus 2 ones are 2 fours are sin power 8x by 8 4 plus sin power 10x by 10 plus c. So this is our final answer where m and n are equal. Here m is equal to n and it is equal to odd number. Now let us see one more case where m is equal to n is equal to even number. Here m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 2. Therefore m equal to 2, n equal to 2. Therefore m is equal to n is equal to 2. Both are equal and even numbers. So in previous case both are equal but odd number. Here also both are equal but even number. So here we have to multiply and divide with 4 in order to get the formula. So multiply with 4 and divide with 4. So you will get 4 sin square x cos square x dx. So it can also be written as integration of 2 sin x cos x whole square. 4 can be written as 2 square sin square cos square. So 2 sin x cos x whole square dx. We all know that 2 sin a cos a formula is sin 2a. So it can be written as 1 by 4 integration of sin 2x whole square dx. So sin 2x whole square can also be written as sin square 2x. So 1 by 4 integration of sin square 2x dx. Now we are getting one formula sin square theta. We know that sin square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So in place of theta we are having 2x. So substitute that formula here. 1 by 4 into integration of 1 minus cos 2 into 2x by 2 dx. Therefore 1 by 2 into 4 is 8 integration of 1 minus cos 4x dx. Therefore 1 by 8. Now integrate. Integration of 1 is x, integration of cos x is sin x. So sin 4x by 4 plus c. So this is our final answer where m is equal to n is equal to even number. Here by this question we have completed integrals of the form integration of sin power mx into cos power nx dx. Now we shall discuss about the integrals of the form integration of tan power mx into sec power nx dx. So here comes our first question, integration of tan power 5x into sec square x dx. So question ni batti manam t anedi tan తీసుకోవాలా sec తీసుకోవాలా డిసైడ్ అవుతుంది. We all know that integration of tan x is log sin x, but differentiation of tan x is sec square x. So let us put tan x is equal to put tan x is equal to t. So differentiate both sides. You will get differentiation of tan x is sec square x. So sec square x dx is equal to dt. Now substitute in our question. Integration of tan power 5 can be written as t power 5. Sec square x dx total can be written as dt. So directly we will get the answer as t power 6 by 6 plus c, because integration of t power 5 is t power 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1. It will become t power 6 by 6. Now replace t with tan. Therefore tan power 6x by 6 plus c is our final answer. So here also we have to put tan x is equal to t. Now differentiate both sides, you will get sec square x dx is equal to dt. So here we are not having sec square x in the question, we are having sec power 4. So first of all we have to reduce that sec power 4 to tan square into sec square. So here tan square x into sec power 4 can also be written as sec square x into sec square x dx. But we know that sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. It is the trigonometric identity you are having in your trigonometry chapter. We know that sec square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. So from this you can write sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. So substitute in the question in place of sec square x. So it is equal to integration of tan square x into 1 plus tan square x. So here I have substituted in place of sec square x 1 plus tan square x into sec square x dx. Now replace tan with t, because the question is in terms of tan only. So t square, because tan square t square. Now 1 plus t square into dt. In place of sec square x dx we are writing dt. Therefore it is equal to t square into 1 t square. T square into t square is t power 4 dt. Now integrate both sides. D square is t cube by 3. T power 4 is t power 5 by 5 plus c. Now replace t with tan x d. So tan power 3x by 3 plus tan power 5x by 5 plus c is our final solution for the question integration of tan square x into sec power 4x dx. So by this we have completed all the 6 forms of method of substitution. There are no general rules for evaluating the integrals by using the method of substitution. Experience is the only guide in this matter. So by this we have completed our total first unit, that is indefinite integration 1. Now let us move on to our second unit, indefinite integration 2. So our next topic is indefinite integration 2, which is our second unit. So in that 9 standard integrals is our basic and first topic. So here పేర్లోనే ఉంది 9 స్టాండర్డ్ ఇంటిగ్రల్స్ అంటే 9 ఫార్ములాస్ ఆర్ దేర్. సో ఇన్ దట్ ఫస్ట్ ఫార్ములా ఈస్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ dx by a square plus x square is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. So this is our first formula. Our next formula is integration of dx by x square minus a square is equal to 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. So our third formula is integration of dx by a square minus x square is equal to 1 by a tan h inverse x by a plus c. So here you can see the difference. First formula and third formula are both same. So here we are having plus, here we are having minus. So if you are getting plus, then we should write tan inverse. If you are getting minus, then we should write tan h inverse. Difference అనేది గమనించాలి. ప్లస్ వస్తే tan ఇన్వర్స్ రాయాలి, మైనస్ వస్తే tan h ఇన్వర్స్ రాయాలి. రెండు ఫార్ములాస్ సేమ్. Fourth one, integration of dx by under root a square minus x square is equal to sin inverse x by a plus c. Fifth one is integration of dx by under root a square plus x square is sin h inverse x by a plus c. So here you can see the difference between 4 and 5. So here minus వస్తే sin inverse రాసాం, a square minus x square. So here a square plus x square. Minus వస్తే sin inverse, plus వస్తే sin h inverse. Difference minus plus. Now sixth formula, dx by under root x square minus a square is equal to cos h inverse x by a plus c. Seventh one is integration of under root a square minus x square dx. So here a square minus x square is in numerator. So ఈ రెండు ఫార్ములాస్కి కనెక్షన్ ఉంటుంది. Is equal to x by 2 onto under root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus c. Now our eighth formula is integration of under root a square plus x square. So here fifth formula ki eighth formula ki connection, fourth ki seventh ki connection. dx is equal to x by 2 under root of a square plus x square plus a square by 2 sin h inverse x by a plus c. చూడండి ఇక్కడ sin inverse, sin inverse, sin h inverse, sin h inverse. Now our ninth formula is our last formula, integration of under root x square minus a square. Ninth and sixth are connected. So 6 and 9 are connected. dx is equal to x by 2 into under root of x square minus a square minus a square by 2 cos h inverse x by a plus c. So these are the 9 standard integrals we should remember in order to solve the questions given in our second unit. So here you have one major facility to write end exam is you can take printout or handout. So in those printout you will be having these 9 standard integrals. So you can easily solve those problems by using handout. You are no need to by heart 9 standard integrals. Now let us start our exercise 2.1, so which is in second unit first exercise. So here in your second exercise, second unit first exercise, that is 2.1, you are having 3 topics. So first topic is about integrals using 9 standard integrals. So we have to integrate all the questions by using 9 standard integral formulas only. Let us discuss one by one with one of the example. Here I have taken 4 questions related to our first standard integral, that is integration of dx by a square plus x square equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. So here first of all we have to compare the question with the standard integral. So if you compare the question with the standard integral, you will get a square equal to 81, x square equal to x square only. So here 1 by 81 can also be written as 9 9s are 81. So 9 square plus x square dx. Now the given question is in the standard form. Directly we can write the integral as 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Here in place of a you are having 9. So our answer is 1 by 9 tan inverse x by 9 plus c. Directly you can get the answer if the question is in standard integral. Here the question is not in standard integral because in the standard integral you are having only x square, but the given question is 3x square. So first of all we have to remove 3 by taking common 3. So here we have to take 3 as common. So dx by 3 కామన్ తీస్తే రివర్స్లో రాస్తున్నా, 3 కామన్ తీస్తే ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2/3. బికాస్ 2లో 3 అనే ఆప్షనే లేదు, బట్ వీఆర్ టేకింగ్ కామన్, సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ఇన్ డినామినేటర్. సో హియర్ 1/3 ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ డిఎక్స్ బై ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2/3 స్క్వేర్ ఉండాలి. స్టాండర్డ్ ఇంటిగ్రల్లో ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి 2/3ని స్క్వేర్ చేయాలి. స్క్వేర్ చేయాలి అంటే వీ షుడ్ అప్లై రూట్ ఇన్ ఆర్డర్ టు స్క్వేర్ 2/3. సో √2/√3 whole square. Now the integral is in the standard form. Now we should write directly 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c, where a is equal to √2/√3. A is equal to √2/√3. So our final answer is 1 by a. So here 1/3 as it is రాయండి. 1 by a అంటే 1/√2/√3 tan inverse of x by a, x by √2/√3 plus c. So this is our final answer. Similarly we can solve dx by 6 plus 2x square. Here also we should take common 2 in order to get the standard form. So here dx by taking 2 as common, రివర్స్లో రాయండి, ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 6 2 times 2లో 3 times పోతుంది. సో 2 3s are 6. నా 1/2 బయటికి రాసేయండి. dx బై ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 3ని స్క్వేర్ చేయాలి. సో 3ని స్క్వేర్ చేయాలంటే వీ షుడ్ అప్లై రూట్. సో √3 whole square. Now the question is in standard form, which is dx by x square plus a square. So our formula is 1 by a. Here a is equal to √3. So 1/√3 tan inverse of x by √3 plus c. Similarly we can take common 2 here. For this question also you have to take 2 as common. dx by 2 into x square plus 7/2. బికాస్ 7లో 2 లేదు, అయినా మనం కామన్ అంటున్నాం కాబట్టి 2 అనేది కింద రాయాలి డినామినేటర్లో. సో హియర్ కామన్ తీసిన 1/2 బయటికి రాసేయండి. 1/2 ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ dx బై ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 7/2ని స్క్వేర్ చేయాలి అంటే వీ షుడ్ అప్లై రూట్. సో √7/√2 whole square. Now the question is in standard form, where a is equal to √7/√2. So here for our answer is 1 by a is 1/√7/√2 tan inverse of x by a. So tan inverse of x by √7/√2 plus c is our final answer. Now let us move on to our second integral, standard integral, which is integration of dx by x square minus a square is equal to 1/2a log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. So here, based on this second form of integral, we are taking two questions. సో హియర్ ఆల్సో స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్లో ఉండాలి అంటే ఓన్లీ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మాత్రమే ఉండాలి. హియర్ 9 ఎక్స్ట్రా వచ్చింది కాబట్టి వీ షుడ్ టేక్ కామన్ 9. dx by 9 into ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 4/9. బికాస్ 4లో 9 లేదు, అయినా మనం కామన్ తీస్తున్నాము అంటే మీనింగ్ కింద రాయాలి. సో 1/9 ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ dx బై ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 4/9ని స్క్వేర్ చేయొచ్చు. 4 can be written as 2 square, 9 can be written as 3 square. So 4/9 is 2/3 whole square. Now the question is in standard form, that is dx by x square minus a square, where a equal to 2/3. Now we can write the formula as 1/9 bracket lo mana answer undali. So 1/2a, 2 into 2/3 log mod x minus 2/3 divided by x plus 2/3 plus c. సో కొంచెం సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే విల్ గెట్ 3 పైకి వెళ్తుంది. 1/9 ఇంటూ 3/4 లాగ్ మాడ్, ఇక్కడ 3 ఇక్కడ 3 ఎల్సిఎం తీసుకోండి. విల్ గెట్ 3 ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ 3x మైనస్ 2/3x ప్లస్ 2 ప్లస్ c. So here 3 1s are 3 3s are 9 will get cancelled. You will get 3 into 4 is 12. So 1/12 log mod 3x minus 2 by 3x plus 2 plus. Similarly, we can solve this question also. Here we have to take common 16. Integration of 1/16 dx by x square. 16 common this day, you will get x square minus 9/16. because 9లో 16 లేదు, అయినా 16 కామన్ తీస్తే you will have to write 9 కింద 16 రాయాలి. Therefore 1/16 integration of dx by x square minus 9/16 can be written as 3/4 whole square. So 3/4 whole square. Now the question is in standard integral, that is 1/2a log mod x minus a by x plus a, where a equal to 3/4. So 1/16 into 1/2a. So 2 into 3/4 log mod x minus 3/4 by x plus 3/4 plus c. So కొంచెం సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే విల్ గెట్ 2 1s are 2 2s are 1/16 2/3 log mod 4 LCM తీసుకోండి. విల్ గెట్ 4 into x 4x minus 3 divided by 4x plus 3 plus c. So here 2 1s are 2 8s are 16 will get cancelled. So 8 3s are 24. 1/24 log mod 4x minus 3 by 4x plus 3 plus c is our final answer for the given question. Integration of dx by 16x square minus 9. So by this we have completed our second form of 9th standard integral. Now let us move on to our third integral. Now our third integral is integration of dx by a square minus x square లా ఉండాలి. So our first question is dx by 36 minus x square. 36 means మనం 6 square రాయొచ్చు. So dx by 6 square minus x square. Now question is in direct standard formula ఉంది. కంపేర్ చేస్తే ఏ ప్లేస్లో 6 ఉంది. Direct we can write answer 1/6 tan h inverse x by 6 plus c. But here we have to take common 3. Question standard formula ఉండడానికి 3ని కామన్ తీస్తే విల్ గెట్ 1/3 dx by 2/3 2/3 minus x square. Because 2లో 3 లేదు అయినా కామన్ అంటున్నాం కాబట్టి we should write 3 in denominator. So 2/3 minus x square. Now we have to make 2/3 as square. So to make 2/3 as square, we should apply square root. Integration of dx by √2/√3 whole square minus x square. Here a equal to √2/√3. Now the question is in standard form. Directly we can write the answer as 1/a. So here we can write the answer as 1/a is 1/√2/√3 tan h inverse of x by √2/√3 plus c. సో కొంచెం సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే విల్ గెట్ √3 పైకి వెళ్తుంది √3/√2 tan h inverse of √3x by √2 plus c is our answer. So by this we have completed 3 standard forms of integrals. Now the remaining 6 we will discuss now. Now let us discuss our 4th standard integral, that is integration of dx by under root of a square minus x square is equal to sin inverse x by a plus c. So here based on this 4th integral we are taking 4 questions here. So first question is dx by under root 14 minus x square. So directly compare చేస్తే 14ని స్క్వేర్ చేయాలి కానీ 14 స్క్వేర్ అవ్వదు కాబట్టి we should apply square root in order to get the square of 14. So integration of dx by under root 14 స్క్వేర్ రూట్ అప్లై చేసి స్క్వేర్ చేయండి అప్పుడు స్క్వేర్ రూట్ క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతే మళ్ళీ 14 మిగులుతుంది మైనస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్. నౌ స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్లో ఉంది ఇప్పుడు ఏ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ లాగే ఉంది బట్ ఇన్ ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ ఏ యూఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ √14. సో డైరెక్ట్లీ వీ కెన్ రైట్ ద ఆన్సర్ సైన్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఎక్స్ బై ఏ. సో విచ్ ఈస్ సైన్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఎక్స్ బై √14 plus c. So similarly we can solve here. 25 can be directly written as 5 square. So now need to square root adding dx by under root 5 square minus x square. Here a equal to 5 ఉంది. So 8 ప్లేస్లో 5 ఉంది కాబట్టి we can directly write the answer as sin inverse x by 5 plus c. Similarly 16 can be written as 4 square. So integration of dx by under root 4 square minus x square. Here a equal to 4. So directly we can write the answer as sin inverse. So here we can write sin inverse x by a. So x by 4 plus c. So here also we can write directly 36 can be written as 6 square. So integration of dx by under root 6 square minus x square. So integration of, so here a is equal to 6. So directly we can write sin inverse x by 6 plus c. So here we have discussed about the direct questions. Here these are the indirect questions. So ఫార్ములాతో కంపేర్ చేస్తే డైరెక్ట్ ఫార్ములా కనిపించదు. సో హియర్ ఫార్ములాకి కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తే తప్ప మనం ఆన్సర్ చేయలేం. సో హియర్ ఫార్ములా రావాలంటే వీ షుడ్ టేక్ 4 కామన్. ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మాత్రమే ఉండాలి. ప్రతి 9th స్టాండర్డ్ ఇంటిగ్రల్లో ఓన్లీ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మాత్రమే ఉంటుంది. ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్కి నెంబర్ ఎక్స్ట్రా ఉంటే కనుక ఆ నెంబర్ని కామన్ తీయండి. సో హియర్ 4 ఎక్స్ట్రా కాబట్టి వీ షుడ్ టేక్ 4 యాజ్ కామన్. dx by అండర్ రూట్లోనే కామన్ తీయండి బికాజ్ రూట్లోనే ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి. సో 4 కామన్ తీస్తే విల్ గెట్ 9/4 బికాజ్ 9లో 4 కామన్ తీయలేము కానీ కామన్ అంటున్నాం కాబట్టి కింద రాయండి మైనస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్. సో √4 ఉంది కదా ఇక్కడ √4 కెన్ బి రిటన్ యాజ్ 2. సో 1/2 బయటికి రాస్తే విల్ గెట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ dx by అండర్ రూట్లో మిగిలింది 9/4. 9/4ని స్క్వేర్ చేయొచ్చు బికాస్ 9 ఈక్వల్ టు 3 స్క్వేర్ 4 ఈక్వల్ టు 2 స్క్వేర్. సో 3/2 whole square minus x square. Now standard formula ఉంది. So what is that standard form here? dx by under root a square minus x square. So here a square is 3 by 2 whole square minus x square, where a equal to 3 by 2. So directly we can write the formula as sin inverse x by a. 1 by 2 కామన్ తీసింది అలానే ఉంటుంది, బ్రాకెట్లో మన ఆన్సర్ రాయాలి. sin inverse x by 3 by 2 plus c, so which is our final answer. So here also we have to take common 4. x స్క్వేర్కి ముందు ఏదైతే ఎక్స్ట్రా నెంబర్ ఉందో ఆ నెంబర్ని కామన్ తీయండి. సో టేక్ 4 యాజ్ కామన్. 4 అనేది రూట్లోనే కామన్ తీయాలి, బికాస్ రూట్లోనే ఉంది కాబట్టి. సో 4 కామన్ తీస్తే 16 నుంచి 4 కామన్ వస్తుంది. సో 4 4 జా 16 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్. సో రూట్ 4 ఈజ్ అగైన్ 2. 2 అనేది బయటికి రాసేయండి. 1/2 ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ dx బై అండర్ రూట్ 4ని స్క్వేర్ చేయొచ్చు. యూ కెన్ రైట్ 4 యాజ్ 2 స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్. హియర్ a ఈక్వల్ టు 2. Therefore we can write directly our answer as sin inverse x by a, x by 2 plus c. Similarly we can solve here also. 5x square లో 5 అనేది ఎక్స్ట్రా నెంబర్ కాబట్టి 5ని కామన్ తీస్తే విల్ గెట్ dx by అండర్ రూట్ 5 కామన్ తీయండి. రూట్లోనే కామన్ తీయాలి. 1/5 బికాజ్ 1 నుంచి 5 కామన్ రాదు. సో వీ షుడ్ రైట్ ఇన్ డినామినేటర్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్. సో హియర్ రూట్ 5 ఉంది కదా, రూట్ 5ని బయటికి రాస్తే విల్ గెట్ 1/5. రూట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ dx బై అండర్ రూట్ 1/5ని స్క్వేర్ చేయలేము కాబట్టి స్క్వేర్ రూట్ అప్లై చేయండి. రూట్ 1/5 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్. So here a is equal to 1/5 because root 1 is 1 only. Now you can write the direct answer as sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse x by 1/5 plus c. కిందున్న రూట్ 5 పైకి పంపిస్తే విల్ గెట్ 1/5 sin inverse root 5 into x, root 5x plus c is our final answer. Similarly ఈ క్వశ్చన్లో ఎక్స్ట్రా నెంబర్ 3 ఉంది కాబట్టి 3ని కామన్ తీయండి. ఆ 3 రూట్లోనే కామన్ తీయాలి. సో అండర్ రూట్ 3 కామన్ తీస్తే విల్ గెట్ 7/3. బికాస్ 7లో 3 లేదు, అయినా కామన్ తీస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి వీ షుడ్ రైట్ ఇన్ డినామినేటర్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్. సో హియర్ రూట్ 3 అనేది బయటికి రాసేయండి. 1/3 బికాజ్ రూట్ 3 అనేది డినామినేటర్లో ఉంది. dx బై అండర్ రూట్ 7/3ని స్క్వేర్ చేయాలి. సో రూట్ 7/3 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్. 7/3 స్క్వేర్ అవ్వదు కాబట్టి వీ షుడ్ అప్లై రూట్ ఇన్ ఆర్డర్ టు గెట్ ద స్క్వేర్. నౌ స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే ఇన్ ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ ఏ యూ ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ రూట్ 7/3. Therefore we can write directly our answer as sin inverse x by root 7/3 plus c. So here root 7/3 పైకి వెళ్తే it will become sin inverse root 3x by root 7 plus c. So here you can see the exercise about 9 standard integrals. So up to now I have discussed about a standard integral of 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the questions based on standard integrals of 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the remaining standard integrals are 5. Now I will discuss those remaining 5 standard integrals and example problems based on those integrals in our next class. So today you have to do your homework based on these 9 standard integrals. Up to now we have discussed only 4 standard integrals. So based on those 4 standard integrals you have so many problems in your exercise. So take out the exercise and do all the problems related to those 4 standard integrals. So in this textbook you are having total 3 types of questions. So here type 2, type 3. So in the next class we will discuss type 2 and remaining 5 standard integrals. So today you have to complete your homework based on those discussed 4 standard integrals. I hope you understand very well. Thank you all.